first discuss the test. Okay, as yesterday your test was there, like for the reaching the age of adolescence, right? First question was there, a boy is having a 11 years of age, having the 80% of his height and 120 centimeter tall. He is present at this age. What is the height, full height? How we have to calculate? Who will tell me the answer of this question? Who will tell me the answer of this question? Raise your hand. How we will calculate? Yes, Prabal, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, 150 centimeter
How
is the
we,
answer.
how we will calculate? Can you please tell the formula of this thing?
Full height is equal to present age over percentage of full height into 100.
Into 100. So 120 divided by?
Ma'am, 120 divided by 80 into 100.
Okay, so that answer is the 150 centimeter. Is that clear? Now the second question was there, define the terms. Define the terms में the first term is Minarche. Who will tell the definition of the Minarche? Yes. Yes, Anmol, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. The first menstruation cycles that start at the age of 12 to 13 in the women is known as menarche.
Menarche. Very nice. Yes, what is the definition of the puberty, Bani? Unmute yourself, Bani.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the age when the age at which the sex hormones and the sex gametes begin to produce, it is known as puberty.
It is
and
known
the boy and the girl start maturing.
Right. Then the third one, yes, Javan. What is the definition of menopause? Unmute yourself.
And stoppage of menstrual flow at the age of 45 to 50 years in females is called menopause.
Menopause, right? These were the three definitions. And the next question was there. Write down the location and hormone secretion and the function of the glands. Okay. So first tha adrenal gland, where it is located. Yes, Gundeep. Unmute yourself, Gundeep. क्या नाम है? Anvay, unmute yourself and give the answer of this question.
Yes, ma'am. Adrenal gland.
Anji, location.
It is located at the top of kidney.
Top
and
of
its
the
function is to control all the emotions.
And the hormone secreted by this adrenal gland?
Adrenaline.
Adrenaline is secreted by the adrenal gland that is present at the top of each kidney. And the main function of this is to control the emotions like fear, anxiety. Okay, all these emotions are controlled by the adrenaline, right? Second question was the thyroid gland. Yes, Akshima, unmute yourself. Akshima,
ma'am.
Hanji, what are the thyroid gland is present?
It is located in that region below larynx.
Hormone secreted by this?
Thyroxine.
Thyroxine, okay. And the function?
Stimulates the cellular oxidation of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. Disease is goiter.
Disease is goiter if it is not. चलो रेस्ट वाले भी बता दो. धैर्य, unmute yourself and tell me the pancreas, the hormone secreted by the pancreas. Avni, unmute yourself. Avni, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji, what is the pancreas, the hormone secreted by pancreas? Unmute yourself, Anvi. Oh, sorry, हाँ Avni. बेटा नहीं हो रहा, unmute करो. Avni करके देखो बच्चा. नहीं हो रहा. बानी आप करो unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, insulin.
And the function?
Ma'am, function lowers the blood sugar level.
Lowers the blood.
And the disease is diabetes.
Diabetes, right? All of you, when you will send your notebooks now, please make this table. Although this is not given in the back exercise question, but all of you will do this, make the chart of this one. Glands, their hormone secretions, hormone secreted and their functions. Make this chart also, right? Now we will discuss the chapter as we were discussing about the electrical conductivity, chemical effects of electric current. In that chemical effects of electric current, the today's topic is, yes, Karanveer, unmute yourself. Karan, unmute yourself. Hanji.
मैम फुल हाइट फॉर्मूला समझा दो एक बार.
फुल हाइट फार्मूला, ओके. यस अपनी, आप भी बोलो, अनम्यूट करो बेटा. अवनी अनम्यूट करो बच्चे, क्यों नहीं हो रहा आपसे? अवनी हो नहीं रहा, अनम्यूट करो बेटा. एनी डाउट?
यस मैम, वो मेरा नेट अड़ गया था, वो अनम्यूट ही नहीं हो रहा था. मैम मैंने पूछना आपने कौन सा चार्ट बोला बनाने को?
यही ग्लैंड्स वाला. ये जितने ग्लैंड्स, 4 ग्लैंड्स वी हैड डन ना, we had discussed to make this table on the notebook also. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
हाँ जी करण, पहले वो देख लीजिए as you asked कि क्या कैसे निकालेंगे. As the question was there, 11-year boy, उसकी एज बताई है, 11-year boy है, ठीक है. He is having a 120 सेंटीमीटर टॉल है वो, है ना. इसकी फुल हाइट निकालनी है. तो फार्मूला दैट वी विल यूज कैलकुलेशन द फुल हाइट, हमारे पास जो फार्मूला है दैट इज फुल हाइट इन सेंटीमीटर्स वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग. फुल हाइट इक्वल टू द प्रेजेंट हाइट डिवाइडेड बाय परसेंटेज ऑफ द फुल हाइट. ठीक है, प्रेजेंट हाइट डिवाइडेड बाय परसेंटेज ऑफ फुल हाइट जो गिवन है, मल्टीप्लाई विद द 100. प्रेजेंट हाइट 120 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है. और 11 ईयर का बॉय है तो हमने वहां पे, मैंने आपको आई थिंक दिया हुआ है 80%, तो दैट इज द 80 डिवाइडेड बाय 80 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. आपको हाइट दो चीजें गिवन थी. 11 ईयर बॉय 120 सेंटीमीटर टॉल एंड 80% ऑफ द फुल हाइट इज गिवन. ठीक है, तो यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट बाय पुटिंग दिस फार्मूला. फुल हाइट इक्वल टू द प्रेजेंट हाइट डिवाइडेड बाय द फुल हाइट इन दिस एज, जो उसकी एज में होनी चाहिए, दैट इज गिवन टू 80%. 120 डिवाइडेड बाय 80 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट, कटिंग करके द आंसर विल कम, दैट इज द 150 सेंटीमीटर. करण, इज इट क्लियर बेटे? करण, Karan, unmute yourself. Tell me, is it clear? Okay, ठीक है. चलो, the next. Now we are going to discuss the chemical effect of electric current, in which we will discuss a new topic today, that is the electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity. What is the meaning of this electrical conductivity? पहले तो नेम से देखो, it is clear that electric conductivity, electric means by passing the current, conductivity when it carry the current from it, that is the electrical conductivity. Now what is the actual, अगर हम definition if we want to see, तो electrical conductivity क्या है? It is a measure of the ability, write down, it is a measure of the ability of a substance. It is a measure of ability of a substance. ठीक है, हमने measure करना है कि the substance, how much current it can pass through it, that is called the electrical conductivity. We will find out measure of ability of a substance, ठीक है, of a substance to carry electric current, to carry electric current, that we have to measure. Is it clear? Means electrical conductivity electrical conductivity का mean क्या है? We have to find out the how, मतलब how much current it can pass through it, the substance कोई भी जो सब्सटेंस है, we will find out how much current it will pass through it, that is called the electrical conductivity. अब इसमें क्या है, all of you are very much familiar with this thing. जब हम बोलते हैं कि do not touch the electrical appliances or the switches with the wet hand, है ना? Wet hand means the water. As all of you know that water is a good conductor of electricity. ठीक है, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली लिक्विड्स जो होते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ द लिक्विड्स दे कैन कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, बट स्टिल as yesterday we had discussed, conductors as well as insulators, है ना? Insulators are also there which will not pass the current through it. In the same way, if some of the liquids they can pass the current through it, तो वहां पे the other liquids are also there which do not pass the current through it, which do not conduct electricity. So some of the liquids they are very good conductor of electricity, some of the liquids they are not able to pass the current. So those substances, the liquids which pass the current from it, है ना? What is actually present in it? उसमें क्या present है कि वो current pass करे? What is present in that liquid? If we are saying कि some are insulators are there, some are conductors, that means some of the substances they can pass the current, some of the substances they are not able to pass the current. What is actually present in those liquid which able or which help them to pass the current? क्या present है उनमें? वो जो conductors हैं, in those conductors, those who can easily pass the current, what is actually present in those conductors? तो हम उसको देखते हैं कि there are free ions are there. Free ions are there through which the current can pass from one point to the another. ठीक है, वहां पे क्या प्रेजेंट है which will conduct electricity, that is free ions. अब ये free ions आते कैसे हैं और कहाँ प्रेजेंट हैं, where it is present, ठीक है? How these free ions will come? I'm just taking the simple example HCl, ठीक है? I am taking HCl, that is acid, all of you know, hydrochloric acid. अब when it dissociate means when it is break down, it will form two parts. One is H, second is Cl. ठीक है? When it dissociate, it forms ions. What is the meaning of? पहले तो ions का meaning क्या है? Ions क्या होते हैं? Write down ions लिखो, फिर मैं इसके बाद बताती हूँ. Write down ions. पहले ions word समझ लो. What is the meaning of the ions? When an atom, हम उस सब्सटेंस को, उस चीज को आयंस बोलते हैं जब एक एटम, when an atom lose or gain electrons, when an atom lose or gain electrons, ठीक है, lose or gain electrons, it forms ion. It forms ions. ठीक है, अब ions जो हैं, these are of two types. One is called cation and second is called anion. ठीक है जी. Now what is the meaning of the cations? Write down, then I will explain. When an atom lose electrons and acquires positive charge, then it is called cation. In the same way, when an atom gain electron, it acquires negative charge. I am writing electrons, I am writing ES. ठीक है जी. When an atom lose electron, then it acquires a positive charge, that is called cation. And when an atom gain electron and acquires negative charge, then it is called the anion. यहाँ तक क्लियर है? क्लियर है? Now, as in the previous class, one of the student asked about how we will come to know that ki these are releasing the positive ions or the negative ions. Kaise they, matlab we will come to know. I'm just telling you, no need to note it down. Just try to understand the concept, how they are acquiring the positive or how they are acquiring the negative. Just understand. It's not in your syllabus how they are losing or gaining electrons. We will discuss in the 9th class, but just try to understand how they become the positive ions or the negative ions. Isko samajh lo. I'm just telling you the one of the name, element name I'm just telling, just note it down. This is sodium, है ना? I am saying the sodium है, this is having a, इसका जो symbol है, representation है, that is Na, right? Now it has, I am again repeating, no need to note it down, just try to understand. It is having 11 members. इसके घर में 11 members है, right? That we will see in terms of chemistry, we can say the 11 electrons. Now, अब इसके जो घर में 11 members हैं, he मतलब sodium wants to arrange them in the particular room. ठीक है जी? अब ये इसका रूम के वो है, दिस इज न्यूक्लियस होता है, सेंटर में न्यूक्लियस होता है एटम के, पहला घर, सेकंड हाउस, एंड देन दिस इज द थर्ड वन. आपने अभी सिर्फ इतना ही समझना ही है, नो नीड टू ड्रॉ एनीथिंग, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड. अब इसके रूम्स में, हर रूम में कैपेसिटी है कि इतने एलिमेंट्स आ सकते, इतने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आ सकते हैं. ठीक है, इसके हर रूम की कैपेसिटी है कि इतने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इस जगह पे आ सकते हैं, राइट? इसका जो पहला घर है, इसकी कैपेसिटी सिर्फ 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की है. ठीक है, दूसरे घर की कैपेसिटी 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की है, इससे ज्यादा नहीं आएंगे. थर्ड में भी 8 की कैपेसिटी है, मतलब फुल फ्लेज कैपेसिटी है. अब 11 में से फर्स्ट घर में इसने दे दिए 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, सेकंड में 8, थर्ड में कितने रह गए? 2 और 8 10, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन इज हियर. इज इट क्लियर? क्लियर. नाउ हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैन कम अकोमोडेट इन दिस हाउस? 8 है, कितने? 1. ठीक है, अब जो 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, इट इज फ्री टू मूव. तो कोई भी आके उसको क्या कहेगा कि उसके साथ चल पड़, राइट? तो ये अपना 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन किसी को भी दे देता है, क्योंकि वो फ्री बैठा है, ही इज फ्री इन हिज रूम, वो पूरे उसमें घर में अकेला बैठा है, तो वो किसी के साथ जाके जो घूमने चला गया, समझ लो, राइट? तो व्हेन इट इज गिविंग इट्स 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, इसने अपना ये इलेक्ट्रॉन दे दिया किसी को, तो कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन दिए इसने? 1 दिए. देने से द चार्ज विल कम पॉजिटिव. Is it clear? Is it clear how it acquires a positive charge? Is it clear? Up now, but we are going to discuss how we will come to know that these liquids can conduct electricity and these liquids are not able to conduct electricity. That means these are good conductor of electricity, these are bad conductor of electricity. How we will come to know? So main thing that is there, the free ions. If the free ions are there, that means it can conduct electricity. If it is not having free ions, it will not conduct electricity. उसमें what we will use to do, हम एक apparatus set करते हैं. We will, I will show you the apparatus by tomorrow. We will set up apparatus. Bulb लगाया, right? यहाँ switch लगाया और battery, ठीक है जी, wires. Now we will take a beaker. In this beaker, we will adding the different solutions to check out that the bulb is glowing or not. Okay, in which the bulb glows, that means that is a good conductor of electricity. The thing or the material in which the bulb does not glow, that means it is a poor conductor of electricity. अब यहाँ पे when I am taking, सबसे पहले if I am taking यहाँ distilled water, all of you know that water is a good conductor. ठीक है, water में ऐसा क्या है? Free ions. Water में क्या है? Free ions are there, that is able to conduct electricity. Now I am taking distilled water. What is the meaning of the distilled water in this case? किसको डिस्टिल्ड वाटर लेते हैं? दैट इज मतलब व्हाट वी यूज टू से दैट इज फ्री ऑफ आयंस, कोई इंप्यूरिटीज नहीं है, कोई सॉल्ट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है। जैसे हम घर में एक्वागार्ड वाटर यूज करते हैं, तो एक्वा में हम क्या कहते हैं कि इट इज मतलब लेस नंबर ऑफ द इंप्यूरिटीज एंड द सॉल्ट्स आर देयर, दैट मींस इट इज फ्री फ्रॉम द आयंस, कोई impurity नहीं है, कोई salt नहीं है, that is distilled water. When we are dipping these two wires in the distilled water, and when we will see bulb does not glow, bulb does not glow. अब ये bulb क्यों नहीं जगा? Because no free ions are present. How I can make this distilled water to good conductor of electricity? By adding salt in it. ठीक है, बाय एडिंग सॉल्ट, मैंने नमक डाल दिया। व्हाट इज सॉल्ट? क्या है सॉल्ट? NaCl. NaCl is the salt. When it dissociate, it form the Na positive and Cl negative ions. When the ions are there, at that time free ions will be there and bulb glow. Getting my point? Getting my point? हाँ जी अनवे, yes अनवे, unmute yourself बेटा।
मैम जो NaCl है वो कंपाउंड है?
बिल्कुल। When the two
और फिर
elements
Na
combine together to form a single, देखो, if I am saying HCl, this is a compound. If I am saying H2SO4, this is compound. If I am saying NaOH, this is compound. Two, देखो
और जो
मैंने
Na पॉजिटिव है, Na पॉजिटिव और Cl नेगेटिव,
आयंस,
वो क्या होगा?
आयंस अभी हमने करा ना, Na positive ions क्या है? When they are having the positive or the negative charges, these are called the ions. By gaining or losing electron, by gaining or losing electrons mean when it dissociate, when it break down, it form their ions.
फिर आयंस और एलिमेंट्स में क्या डिफरेंस होता है?
Ions जो है they acquire the charges. If I am writing Na, this is an element, atom है हमारे पास, ये atom है हमारे पास. When it
Okay.
acquires a positive, when we are writing the positive and the negative charges, then we are saying the anion, ions. हाँ जी प्रबल, unmute yourself.
और मैम एक और मैम कि आयंस और फ्री आयंस में डिफरेंस होता है?
नहीं, ions means if the ions are there, that means the free ions, ना? Ions हो गए तो that means they are, ions are present, that means they are free. ठीक है?
Okay,
हाँ जी प्रबल.
मैम जैसे कि मैम कोई अगर हम मैम डिस्टिल्ड वाटर की जगह मैम कोई और मैम लिक्विड लेते हैं,
I am
मैम
taking,
उसमें भी
बेटा, I
बल्ब
am
ग्लो
going,
नहीं?
बच्चा I am going to take it. मैं लेने लगी हूँ. Wait a while. I will show you by taking the different examples of the liquids. We will do it. No worries. Sare, we will take these things and you have to write down the activity in the practical file also. Yes, Bani beta, unmute yourself.
मैम हमें पता कैसे लगेगा किसी चीज में आयंस है कि नहीं है? मतलब
वही चीज तो अभी बताई है कि अगर this is HCl, है ना? If this HCl is there, अभी आपके लिए it's better to learn this thing कि ये जो पहला है this is having a positive and second one is having a negative. जब भी ये जुड़े whenever a compound is formed, तो वो आयंस को जोड़ के ही बना है, and when it dissociate, वो अपने फ्री आयंस में रिलीज हो जाएगा. Getting? जब वो जुड़े थे तो वो आपस में, जैसे मैंने अभी आई showed it to you ना, सोडियम क्लोराइड, कि how NaCl is formed by giving the electron and by taking the electron. ठीक है, तो वो NaCl बना, एक कंपाउंड बन गया. When it breaks down, it will release its ions. ठीक है?
यस मैम.
अब now write down write down the first case. In this case, write down the first case. If we take the bulb, या देख लो, the bulb does not glow. The bulb does not glow in distilled water. The bulb does not glow in distilled water. ठीक है, रीजन आपको पता है, in distilled water. क्यों? As no free ions are in distilled water as no free ions are present. I hope this point is clear to all of you. Second आप लिख सकते हो, ठीक है, if we take any acid, आप कोई भी एसिड ले रहे हो like HCl, H2SO4, ठीक है जी, when we are taking any acid, ठीक है, they have hydrogen ions in common, have hydrogen ions in common, so free ions are present and it can conduct electricity and the bulb will glow. In the same way, we can take the base. If we take bases like NaOH, KOH, ठीक है जी, it dissociate, it is also have common, क्या है इनके अंदर, have hydroxide ions, हमने करा था ना, ये तो acid bases में भी already discussed कि acids they are having the hydrogen ions and the bases they are having the hydroxide ions. Hydroxide ions in common, so bulb will glow क्योंकि free ions present है, ठीक है. एक और पॉइंट लिख लो, if we add salt in distilled water, bulb will glow, bulb will glow, क्यों glow करेगा, because of the free ions are present, because sodium chloride dissociate to form the ions and the bulb will glow. All these points clear bete, कि where the bulb will glow and where it is not. I will show you the even the video also, and I will show you the practical also. We will do the practical in the class by taking the different solutions, by taking the different liquids. I will show it to you, the bulb is glowing or not. Okay, we will discuss all these things.